The $5,000 dream. Is it possible? Making $5,000 on Amazon in just 24 hours sounds like a dream, right? It's a big, exciting goal, and it's something that many people strive for. While it is possible, it's not magic. It's not about clicking your fingers and watching the money appear. This isn't a lottery ticket. This is about creating real value. Think of it like baking a delicious cake. You need the right ingredients, the right recipe, and the right oven temperature. You also need to put in the effort to mix, bake, and decorate. Making money on Amazon is similar. It takes preparation, hard work, and a sprinkle of smart strategy. This journey is not about getting rich quick. It's about building a successful business. It's about understanding how Amazon works. It's about learning how to choose the right products, how to market them effectively, and how to serve your customers well. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get baking? Are you ready to learn the secrets to making $5,000 in a single day? Let's dive in and explore the world of Amazon selling together. Get ready to discover the exciting possibilities that await you. Preparing for success, laying the groundwork. Before you even think about listing your first product, you need a solid foundation. This is like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you? You need a strong base. In the world of Amazon, that base is preparation. First, you need to understand the rules of the game. Amazon has specific guidelines and policies that every seller must follow. Take the time to learn these rules inside and out. This will save you from headaches down the road. Next, you need the right tools. Think of these as your essential kitchen gadgets. Tools like Jungle Scout can help you research product demand and competition. They can show you what's selling hot and what's not. Finally, get your logistics in order. Think about packaging, shipping, and customer service. These are the behind-the-scenes elements that will keep your business running smoothly. Just like a well-oiled machine, your operations need to be efficient and effective. Choosing the right product is crucial. It's like picking the star ingredient for your cake. The wrong ingredient can ruin the whole thing. The right ingredient can make it a masterpiece. So how do you choose a winning product on Amazon? First, look for products with high demand. These are items that people are actively searching for and buying. Use tools like Jungle Scout to identify these in-demand products. This will give you a head start. Next, consider the competition. If a product already has thousands of sellers, it might be tough to stand out. Look for products with less competition, or find a way to differentiate your offering. Think about profit margins. You want to sell products that allow you to make a decent profit after all your expenses. Calculate your costs carefully, including sourcing, shipping, and Amazon fees. Finally, choose a product you're passionate about. This will make the whole process more enjoyable. When you love what you sell, it shows. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and attract customers. Sourcing smarts, finding the best suppliers. Once you've chosen your winning product, it's time to find reliable suppliers. This is like sourcing the freshest ingredients for your cake. You want the best quality at the best price. Start by researching suppliers online. Platforms like Alibaba and AliExpress are great places to find manufacturers and wholesalers. Compare prices, minimum order quantities, and shipping times. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Many suppliers are willing to offer discounts for bulk orders. A little negotiation can go a long way in maximizing your profit margins. Always order samples before committing to a large order. This allows you to check the quality of the product firsthand. Make sure the product meets your standards and the description provided by the supplier. Finally, build strong relationships with your suppliers. Good communication and mutual respect are essential for a smooth and successful partnership. Treat your suppliers like partners, not just vendors. Section 5. Listing like a pro, optimizing for success. Now that you have your product and your suppliers, it's time to create a killer listing. This is like decorating your cake to make it irresistible. A great listing will attract customers and boost your sales. Start with a keyword-rich title. This tells Amazon and your customers what your product is all about. Use relevant keywords that people are searching for. This will help your listing rank higher in search results. Write a compelling and informative product description. Highlight the benefits of your product and answer any questions a customer might have. Use clear and concise language that's easy to understand. Include high-quality images. Show your product from different angles and highlight its features. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in online sales. Finally, use bullet points to summarize key features and benefits. This makes your listing easy to scan and digest. People are busy, so make it easy for them to see why they should buy your product. Section 6. Pricing strategies. Finding the sweet spot. Pricing your product correctly is essential for success. It's like setting the right price for your cake. Too high and no one will buy it. Too low and you won't make a profit. Research your competition. See what similar products are selling for. This will give you a benchmark for your own pricing. Consider your costs. Factor in your sourcing costs, shipping costs, and Amazon fees. Make sure your price covers your costs and allows for a reasonable profit margin. Experiment with different pricing strategies. You might try offering discounts or promotions to attract customers. See what works best for your product and your target market. Monitor your sales and adjust your pricing as needed. The market is constantly changing, so you need to be flexible. Don't be afraid to tweak your prices to optimize your sales and profits. Section 7. Marketing magic, spreading the word. Even the best product won't sell itself. You need to get the word out. This is like advertising your cake to attract hungry customers. Use Amazon's advertising platform. Sponsored products and sponsored brands can help you reach a wider audience. Target your ads to specific keywords and demographics. Consider running Facebook ads. Target your ads to people who are interested in similar products. This can drive traffic to your Amazon listing. Build an email list. Offer a discount or a freebie in exchange for email signups. This allows you to stay in touch with your customers and promote new products. Leverage social media. Share your product on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Engage with your followers and build a community around your brand. Section 8. My Amazon adventure, triumphs and tribulations. My journey on Amazon hasn't always been smooth sailing. There have been triumphs and tribulations, just like in any business venture. I've learned valuable lessons along the way. One of my biggest challenges was dealing with stock issues. I underestimated the demand for one of my products and ran out of inventory. This resulted in lost sales and frustrated customers. I also faced challenges with refunds. Some customers weren't satisfied with their purchase and requested a refund. While refunds are a part of doing business, it can be frustrating to deal with them. Despite these challenges, I've also experienced incredible successes. I've seen my products climb the Amazon rankings and generate significant sales. It's an amazing feeling to see your hard work pay off. The key is to learn from your mistakes and never give up. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the ups and downs of the journey and keep pushing forward. Section 9. Lessons learned. The path to e-commerce success. Through my experiences, I've learned some valuable lessons about e-commerce success. These lessons have shaped my approach and helped me achieve my goals. Preparation is key. Don't rush into things without a solid plan. Take the time to research your market, choose the right products, and set up your business properly. Effort is essential. Success on Amazon doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to put in the hours. Perseverance is crucial. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. Don't let these discourage you. Keep learning, keep adapting, and keep moving forward. Never stop learning. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving. Stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Embrace continuous learning and improvement. Section 10. Take action. Your journey starts now. You've learned the steps. You've heard about my experiences. Now it's your turn to take action. Your $5,000 dream is within reach. Don't be afraid to start small. You don't need a huge investment to get started on Amazon. Start with one product and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Embrace the learning process. There's a learning curve to selling on Amazon. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep learning and keep improving. Don't give up on your dreams. There will be challenges along the way, but don't let them derail you. Stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below sharing your goals and aspirations. I'm here to support you on your journey to Amazon success.